everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on driving straight through intersections without stopping. If you are driving a car and you are going through an intersection and you don't have a stop sign, or if you have a green light and you're going through a traffic light intersection, then you don't have to stop at that intersection. But it's not as simple as just driving right through it. There are a few extra things that you should do. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what you should do. Then I'll demonstrate myself driving through a few intersections on this road over here. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to be basically going over 4 simple steps that you should do. Step number 1, so I'll explain, then I'll demonstrate. Step number 1 is scan the intersection in advance, okay? So when you scan the intersection, first and foremost, you want to scan it before you actually get really close to the intersection. Because if there is a hazard or if there's something that you should know, you want to know about it in advance. So don't wait until you're already in the intersection to scan it. Scan it in advance, okay? And you want to move your head slightly. You're not scanning it like this. Like just a slight move of your head is completely fine. Just a slight swivel, just like that. That'll allow you to keep your focus on the road ahead, but also look side to side to see what's going on. The second thing is maintain your speed. You see, when you're going through an intersection, you don't want to be speeding up. You don't want to be slowing down. You want to maintain a consistent speed. That means if you're approaching the intersection going about 50 kilometers an hour, then you want to maintain that speed of 50 through the intersection and then after. Once you get through the intersection, then you can speed up or slow down. But you don't want to speed up or slow down in the middle of the intersection unless you have to be safe. That's a different story. The third step is don't change your position of your car. Now by that I mean don't change lanes, don't move like all the way to the right of the lane or all the way to the left of the lane. You don't want to change your position. You basically want to keep the same position, because if there's someone waiting to turn in the oncoming lane, or if there's someone behind you, around you, someone's turning onto the street you're driving in, you don't want to throw anything off. Whether the accident is your fault or is not your fault, you don't want to get into an accident. So you want to avoid accidents at all costs. And the fourth step is be prepared to stop. Okay? Now, I don't hover over the brake, because it's not practical for you to take your foot off the gas and hover over the brake every time you go through an intersection. But be prepared to stop, meaning have your foot ready to move if need be. Okay, let's go through some intersections. So I'm going to drive. Now there's a few intersections with stop signs here, but there's also a few without stop signs. So I'm going to try and go through all of the types of intersections. Now obviously you're going to be paying attention to what I'm doing when I'm driving straight through an intersection without stopping. Okay, so like I said, just bear with me. 4 simple steps. You want to scan in advance. You want to maintain your speed, okay? You want to not change your position, okay? Which, don't change lanes, but also don't move within the lane. Like if I'm driving in the center of this lane, I don't want to all of a sudden go to the right or go to the left. I don't want to do that. That's not a good idea. And also be prepared to stop. And those all work together, because by maintaining your speed, by not accelerating, you're doing that. So right now I'm passing an intersection. Check this out. Scanned it, maintain speed, I'm ready to stop, not changing my position, and I'm through the intersection. Here's actually another intersection with a stop sign, and I'll go through 1 or 2 more without stopping. So I'm gonna stop here. I have the right of way. I'm gonna go ahead and proceed. It's my right of way, sir. Thank you. Sorry, that person was just trying to drive right through. I was there like at least 2 seconds before that person. Okay, approaching another intersection, scanning, maintain speed, hovering over the gas pedal, not really braking, not accelerating. So I'm maintaining speed, I scanned it, not changing positions, and I'm prepared to stop. Now, I have like 99.9% of the time when you drive through an intersection without stopping, you can just drive through it and there's not going to be a hazard, not going to be a reason for you to stop. However, there is a small portion of the time where all of a sudden a car just comes in front of you. A car just, turns in front of you, let's say. Or, another car just jumps in front of you, or a pedestrian starts crossing the road. Whatever the case is, okay? If you are driving through an intersection and you see something like that, at that point you're going to be very, very thankful that you follow the steps, because hopefully you're going to most likely be able to stop on time and avoid an accident. And that's basically it. I mean, those are the steps for driving straight through intersections without stopping. Like I said, scan the intersection in advance, move your head just slightly, maintain your speed, okay? Don't change the position of your car or yourself. Don't change any position while you're going through the intersection, and be prepared to stop if need be. So I've explained it and I've demonstrated it, and I really hope you liked it. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.